Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher upper dish rack roller axle. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack roller axle. The upper dish rack roller axle is what the roller rides on. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the upper dish rack's not rolling in and out properly. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the upper rack out. Once you have the rack pulled out, we have access to the axles. There's two on each side. They're all changed out the same way. In order to change them, we have to take the rack out. So we're going to put a towel down so we don't scratch anything up. And then we have to take the upper rack out. In order to do that, we just have to unlock the rail on each side. All you have to do is grab this and swing it out. The other side comes off the same way. Once you have them both unlocked, we can just lift up on the rack so the rollers come out in the front. And then pull it forward. And lift it up when the rear rollers are lined up. And we're going to turn it over, set it on the counter. The axle is located right in the center of the wheel right here. We're just going to grab the axle from this side with a needle nose pliers. And we're going to use the 3/16" nut driver to take out the screw from the back side. Once you have the screw out, just going to pull the axle and the roller off together. We can separate it. Pull the axle off. Here's the old upper dish rack roller axle next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new axle in, just want to make sure it goes through the roller. And then you have to make sure that these tabs are lined up in the little slot right there. And we're just going to grab it with the needle nose pliers like before. Hold it in place while we use the 3/16" nut driver to put in the screws. Once you have the screw tightened down, we can put the upper dish rack back into the dishwasher. To put the rack back in, just have to line the rollers up with the rails, push them back. Then push back and drop the fronts in. Then push it all the way in, and then snap both the end caps on. Then we can push the upper dish rack back in, close the dishwasher door, pull the towel out, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.